This is an alternator from my 2007 Chrysler Sebring. I took it out from my car because I had a problem with this alternator, and I choose not to buy a new one because the price for a new alternator, the price starts from 400 euros up to 800 euros. It depends on the producer. This is a Bosch alternator, so I choose to send it to refurbish it and to see what is broken inside. And after checking the alternator, it was found two bearings that were broke, and these two bearings had to be changed. With only 40 euros, these two bearings, it was changed with new ones, and the alternator was made like new. Only 40 euros instead of 400 euros. So this is from my 2007 Chrysler Sebring, and it's a Bosch alternator.